Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Today we are going to study new lesson surprise birthday party. Before that, yesterday we studied about let's know about animals, correct or not? And in this lesson only you have to keep in mind the sounds of animals, okay? Where do they live, correct? Houses of those animals and the sounds which comes out of their mouth, okay? That you have to study. Here it is told now hen. Hen lives in what? Hen lives in coop. Its sound is cluck, okay? Hen, coop, cluck. Keep in mind, okay? Hen lives where? Hen lives in coop and its voice is cluck, C-L-U-C-K, cluck, okay? Horse. Horse lives in what? Horse lives in stable and it neighs. Neigh. The sound of horse is called what? Neigh. N-E-I-G-H, neigh, okay? Dog. Dog lives where? Dog lives in kennel. The house of dog is known as kennel and the sound of dog is what? Bark, B-A-R-K, bark. Are you understanding? The sound of dog is what? Bark. Lion. Lion lives where? Lion lives in den. And the sound of lion is what? Roar, R-O-A-R, roar. It roars, okay? Elephant. Elephant lives where? Elephant lives in jungle, correct? It lives in what? It lives in jungle and the sound of elephant is trumpet, T-R-U-M-P-E-T. The sound of elephant is what? The sound of elephant is trumpet. After that is bee, honey bee, you know, bee. And what is house of bees? Beehive is the house of bees and the sound of bees is buzz. The sound which comes out of its mouth is buzz, okay? It is called buzz. Mouse. Mouse lives in the hole, H-O-L-E, hole. You can see mouse lives in the hole and the sound of mouse is called squeak, squeak, S-Q-U-E-A-K, squeak, right? And last one is what? Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Where does duck lives? Duck lives in the water and the voice or the sound of the duck is what? Quack. Understood? In this way you have to learn these sounds. तुम्हाला पाठ करावं लागतील, ओके? तुम्ही म्हणाल की नाही मॅडमनी एक्सप्लेन जास्त नाही केलं. ह्याच्यामध्ये एक्सप्लेन करण्यासारखं काहीच नाही. फक्त प्राण्यांची घरं दिलेली आहेत, ते कोणत्या घरात राहतात, त्यांच्या घरांना काय म्हणतात आणि ते जे साऊंड काढतात तोंडातून त्या साऊंडचे नावं दिलेले आहेत आणि हे तुम्हाला पाठ करायचं आहे, ओके? यू हॅव टू लर्न. देर इज नो अदर ऑप्शन फॉर दिस लेसन, ओके? हेन. Then immediately house of hen, coop. The voice which hen removes is cluck, okay? Elephant. Elephant lives where? Elephant lives in jungle. The sound of elephant is what? Trumpet, okay? Lion. Lion lives in the den. Den म्हणजे काय? गुफा, caves, like caves type गुफा, okay? Lion lives in the den. The sound of lion is what? It roars, R-O-A-R, roar. Understood? In this way you have to learn. In this way what you have to do? You have to learn the houses of animals and the sounds of animals. Understood? Today we are going to start with new lesson. I will start with new lessons. Name of our lesson is lesson number 5, surprise birthday party. What is given in the surprise birthday party that we are going to study today? Look at the pictures, listen and read. I will read for you, okay? There was a monkey named Manku. There was a monkey named Manku. Manku lived in a cave. कशामध्ये राहत होता तो? केव मध्ये राहत होता. You can see picture over here. A lake was near the cave. There was what? See here, cave is there and near cave only what is there? Near cave only what is there? Lake is there. Lake means what? Pani, okay? Ducky, the Drac and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. Two of them, they lived in the lake. Ducky, the Drac and his sister Lucky. Ducky and Lucky, these are names of the ducks, okay? Jean and Jenny, the cranes, lived near the lake. You can see crane, CRANE, crane. Crane म्हणजे काय in Marathi? In Marathi it is called बगळा. Ducks म्हणजे काय? बदक. So here it is told, Jean and Jenny, the cranes, lived near the lake. ते काय करायचे? लेक जो होता त्याच्या शेजारी राहत होते. ओके, लेकला आपण तळ म्हणू शकतो. ओके, ऑल ऑफ देम वर मंकूज फ्रेंड्स. Now Manku was living where? Manku was living in the cave. Monkey, माकड कुठे राहत होतं? गुफेत राहत होतं. आणि त्या गुफेच्या शेजारीच काय होतं? एक छोटंसं तळं होतं. त्या तळ्यामध्ये 2 बदकं राहत होते. त्या बदकांची नावं काय आहे? डकी आणि लकी. आणि त्या तळ्याच्या शेजारीच 2 बगळे राहत होते. त्यांची नावं काय आहेत? जीन आणि जेनी. ओके, जीन अँड जेनी. And these all 4 were whose friend? These all 4 were Manku's friends. Okay, monkeyचे मित्र होते ते. Then what happened? One day Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky Lucky, Jean Jenny will come to say happy birthday, said Manku. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So he felt very sad. One day what happened? Manku became very happy and he said, oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. Manku said to whom? Manku said to Ducky and Lucky and Jean and Jenny. Okay, what he said? Oh, tomorrow will be my tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. And what he thought? Ducky Lucky and Jean Jenny will come and wish me in the morning. Which morning? Sunday morning. But did they came? No, he waited for long time. मंकू खूप वेळ थांबला. त्याला वाटलं की डकी लकी येतील आणि मला विश करतील, जीन जेनी येतील आणि मला विश करतील. सो ही फेल्ट व्हेरी सॅड. त्याला खूप वाईट वाटलं. ओके, सो व्हॉट हॅपन फर्दर? मंकू वेंट टू द लेक बट नो वन वॉज देअर. ही वेंट नियर द लेक बट नो वन वॉज देअर नियर द लेक. सो सॅडली Manku came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow, a cake, said Manku. Okay, he came back. He saw near the lake no one was there. Ducky Lucky was not there. Jean Jenny were not there. So he came back to the cave and he saw there was a table in the cave, and on that table what was kept? Cake was kept. Okay, then what happened further? Then he became so happy and he said it was surprise for him. So he said, wow, a cake, said Manku. Then immediately now Ducky Lucky, Jean Jenny came out and shouted, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Manku. Okay, then they said, we were waiting to give you a surprise. All said, I baked a cake for you, said Jean. I bought you some grapes, said Jenny. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. Okay, what did they do? They gave surprise to Manku. Are you understanding or not? Who made cake? Cake was made by Jean. Then grapes were brought by Jenny, and the table on which cake was kept, that was made by Lucky and Ducky. Because in jungles you don't have tables and chairs to sit. Okay, it's really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together. Understood what is told? When this all 4 gave surprise to Manku, then Manku said, oh, you have given me a big surprise. It is really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear. I love you all so much. Who said this all? Manku said this all to his friends, and then they all danced together. What did they do? They danced together and happily they ate cake and they enjoyed the birthday party of whose? Birthday party of Manku. Understood story? Have you understood? समजली का नाही स्टोरी? मंकू हा एक मंकी असतो. तो केवमध्ये राहतो. त्यांनी आणि त्या केवच्या शेजारीच एक छोटंसं तळं असतं. त्या तळ्यामध्ये 2 बदकं राहतात. एकाचं नाव जीन असतं, एकाचं नाव जीन असतं, एकाचं नाव जेनी असतं, सॉरी लक्की असतं, एकाचं नाव डक्की असतं. त्या तळ्याच्या शेजारी 2 बगळे असतात, त्यांचं नाव काय असतं, जीन आणि जेनी. एक दिवस मंकू सगळ्यांना म्हणतो की माझा संडेला बड्डे आहे, तर तुम्ही या सगळे. पण मग ज्यावेळेस संडे होतो तर संडेच्या सकाळी कोणीच त्याला विश करायला येत नाही, काहीच नाही. तर मग तो जाऊन बघतो त्या पॉन्ड शेजारी की बाबा डक्की लक्की कुठे गेले, जीन जेनी कुठे गेले. तर तो चेक करतो तर तिथं कोणीच नसतं. पण ज्यावेळेस तो सॅड होतो आणि घरी येतो रिटर्न त्याच्या केवमध्ये, त्यावेळेस तो बघतो की टेबलवरती एक छोटासा टेबल तयार केलेला आहे आणि त्या टेबलवरती सुंदरसा केक ठेवलेला आहे. ओके. आणि मग इमिडिएटली ज्यावेळेस तो त्या केवमध्ये एंट्री करतो तर सगळे गाणं म्हणायला लागतं, हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू, हॅपी बर्थडे डिअर मंकू. आणि मग त्यांनी काय केलं, त्याला मंकूला सरप्राईज दिला आणि मंकू खूप खुश होतो आणि तो म्हणतो यू रिअली गेव मी सरप्राईज, थँक्यू सो मच टू ऑल अँड आय लव्ह यू सो मच. अँड दे डान्स टुगेदर फॉर long time and they enjoyed eating cake. Correct. Cake was made by Jean. Jenny had brought what? Grapes for Manku, and that table was made by Ducky and Lucky. In this way we have completed our story and question answers of the story I will give you or I will send you on WhatsApp group. Please complete that homework today itself. Okay, thank you.